life. I'm Anastasia Chatzka, a fashion designer with over 20 years of experience and a sewing educator. And I'm really excited you're here to share another sewing adventure with me today. Welcome to Sew Anastasia, and today I'm going to show you how to fix buttonholes that are falling apart. So no need to throw out your shirt or your jacket, let's fix it. Supplies for fixing your buttonholes are super simple. You're going to need some matching thread, you're also going to need some snips, and you're going to need a sewing machine that has a zigzag stitch. So if you take a look at my buttonholes here, you'll notice that one side is zigzagged and the other side is literally falling apart and frayed. So I think what basically happened on this shirt is someone opened up the buttonholes, but they cut the other side of the zigzag because all of the buttonholes are kind of destroyed on one side. But the fabric on this blouse is so beautiful that I want to save it and wear it. And Valentine's Day is coming up and red is perfect for that. It's even got a little ruffle at the neck. So the first thing we want to do in repairing these is set up our sewing machine to a zigzag. When setting up your zigzag, you want to set it up to something that's already similar to the button zigzag that's on your shirt currently. So I would suggest grabbing a scrap piece of fabric and testing out the widths and the lengths of the zigzag. Now a zigzag stitch on a buttonhole is generally very, very short, really close to zero. It's probably 0.1 or 0.2. So definitely start with something that's really close to being a satin stitch. And what is a satin stitch? A satin stitch is a condensed line of zigzag stitches, just like a buttonhole. You want to start with a stitch that's super close together like this that looks just like your buttonholes. I have my machine all set up. I'm gonna go ahead and put my shirt in here. So my buttonhole is ripping right here. It has no zigzag stitch left right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just stitch right over where the zigzag stitch should be. Make sure you don't actually stitch your buttonhole together. Okay, back stitch and cut. Got a few more buttonholes left to fix. So you can see now we have the zigzag stitch on both sides. Oh my gosh, how easy was fixing the buttonholes on the shirt? It was so easy. It took me like 5 minutes and I fixed like all 6 buttonholes. Amazing. So don't throw out your shirt next time you see a buttonhole falling apart. Just go ahead and zigzag the edges of it and fix it and save it. Thanks so much for watching Sew Anastasia today. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I will get back with you as soon as I can. As always, make sure you follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Pinterest and Twitter and all those fabulous social media websites. And hop on over to Patreon. We would love to have your support there. Even just $1 a month helps so much. It keeps the studio going and growing. And I would love to see your projects. So make sure you tag me at Sew Anastasia or DM me photos on Facebook or Instagram, and I would love to share them and keep everybody inspired with your projects. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.